Good morning, children. Today activity is match the numbers. Today Karthik will do. First number is 4. Where is the another 4, Karthik? Match the number 4. Match. Very good. Next number 8. Where is another 8? ఇంకొక 8 ఎక్కడుంది? Yes. Very good. Next number is 3. Okay, very good. Next number 6. Where is another 6? 6 ఎక్కడుంది? లైన్ కొట్టు. Very good. Next number